Welcome everyone! Today we're making delicious vegan spicy wonton soup, restaurant style, right at home. Please note the ingredients, then we will start to make the step-by-step recipe. First, press firm tofu well, then crumble it finely into a mixing bowl. Add finely chopped mushrooms for rich umami flavor and wonderful meaty texture. Now mix in chopped cabbage, minced garlic, and freshly grated ginger. Pour in soy sauce and sesame oil to build deep savory flavor. Season the filling with salt and white pepper for balanced taste. Add cornstarch and mix everything thoroughly until the filling binds nicely together. Set the filling aside while we prepare the wonton wrappers. Lay one wonton wrapper flat and place 1 teaspoon filling in center. Lightly dab water along the edges so the wrapper seals perfectly. Fold the wrapper in half, forming a neat triangle or rectangle. Press the edges tightly, making sure no air pockets remain inside. Bring the 2 bottom corners together to start forming classic wonton shape. Overlap the corners and press gently to secure the traditional dumpling form. Continue shaping until every wonton is filled and beautifully folded. Cover the finished wontons with a towel so wrappers stay soft. Bring a large pot of water to a gentle rolling boil. Carefully add wontons in small batches so they cook evenly. Watch closely as wontons float up, signaling they are perfectly cooked. Let them cook 3 to 4 minutes until wrappers turn soft. Remove the wontons carefully using a slotted spoon and drain well. We make the sauce and let the wontons to cool for a while. In a bowl, combine chili oil, soy sauce, black bag vinegar, sugar, sesame oil. Sprinkle toasted sesame seeds and chopped green onions into the sauce. Place cooked wontons in a bowl and generously drizzle spicy chili oil sauce. Finish with cilantro, peanuts, extra chili oil, and enjoy your vegan spicy wontons. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned with me for more delicious Chinese recipes.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with friends. For more delicious recipes, visit dintaifungmenu.com.